I'm sharing this video with you to share with you the settings on my camera that I utilized to get the Orton effect, the dreamy effect of photos to go with the video in the form from Photoshop Elements. First, I set the camera on the AV setting, which is for aperture priority, and then I was able to move this one right here. I'm not real good at my camera yet, so I got to figure out. And I moved it all the way up, they say between 18 and 22, so I stuck it in the middle between on 20. You can see right there, 20. And then this here is your exposure settings. And so I changed the exposure settings by clicking on this ISO and exposure. You can see the very last icon is for exposure, and scrolling, oops, it's this wheel down here, and using this wheel here, the middle one, oops, I've lost it. The middle one is can you see that? The middle one right there is set on, I've lost it again, on normal exposure, and then I just bumped it up 2. And then I also used the drive and changed this so it was on a timer mode. So that's, and this setting is on autofocus, and that's what I used the settings to take the first image. To take the second image, I used this scroll wheel and I moved the aperture all the way down as far as it would go. In my case it was 3.5. Sometimes for whatever reason I could only get it to go to 4.0, but you want to move it all the way down as far as it will go, and then you want to click on this button and move this wheel again and change it so it's only overexposed by 1 click right in there. And then the key point to this one is to change it off of autofocus onto manual focus. And as you're looking through the viewfinder, move this and manually throw it out of autofocus until it looks blurry. And I don't know what the right setting is. It's going to be different for each thing, but that's what's going to make your photo blurry. And you remember, we want one clear, sharp photo, and we need one blurry photo. And this setting here with the bar, moving it along there and moving it to the right is what's going to cause it to be overexposed. That's what is important to make this work, because once you get your 2 images, you're just going to bring them into Photoshop or Photoshop Elements and apply the blending mode to the blurred one that is above the normal sharp one, and then you'll have the dreamy Orton effect. I hope this has helped. Bye.